So, hello, friends. So, the question here is of time and work. A can do a certain job in 12 days, and B is 60% more efficient than B. How many days B alone take to do the same job? So, for A, we know how many days it is going to take. We have to find how many days B will take to do the same job. And we know what is B's efficiency. He is more efficient than B. B is more efficient than A. So he can do more work as compared to A. He can do more work as compared to A. In case of work, he can do more. And if we talk about time, he takes less time as compared to A. As compared to A, he will take less time. So let's take the ratio of the time taken. Ratio of time taken B is to A. Sorry, why write B is to B? We'll write A is to B. So A is to B. So A will take more time. So if B is 60% more efficient, so we will write 160 is to 100. B is 60% more efficient. So now if we bring it to, like we cancel and bring it to short term, then what will be the answer here? 2, 8 to 5. So 8 is to 5 is the ratio of the time taken by A and B. Now we know what is the time taken by A. So now we'll just put it in this ratio is 8 is to 5 is equal to how many days A will take? 12 days. We have to find for B. So now 8 by 5 is equal to 12 by B. So now B will be equal to 12 into 5 by 8. 4 2s, 4 6. Sorry, 4 3. So this is 15 by 2 or 7 by 7.5 days. So we get the answer. So B will take 7.5 days and A will take 12 days to complete the work. If he is taking 12 days, B will take 7.5 days to complete the job. Clear? Okay, students, we have a question here. A can do a piece of work in 80 days. He works at it for 10 days and the B alone finishes the remaining work in 42 days. In how much time will A and B working together finish the work? So in this question, what all information we have that how many days A will take alone to do the work, how many days he had actually worked, the remaining work has been completed by B in how many days, and then the question is if both of them are working together, then how many days it will take to finish the same job or the same work. Okay, so first of all, work done by A in 10 days because he had worked for 10 days, right? One day's work is 1 by 80 because he needs 80 days to complete. He had worked for 10 days. So the work he has completed is 1 by 8. Now remaining work, how much work is remaining? Remaining work is equal to 1 minus 1 by 8, that is 7 by 8. 7 by 8 work is remaining. Here it has been told that remaining work he completes in 42 days, right? P completes 7 by 8 work. In how many days? In 42 days. If in 42 days is able to complete 7 by 8 work, in then whole work he can complete it. Whole work B can complete. In how many days? 42, 8 by 7, 48 days. Right. So now we know A alone can take 80 days and B alone can take 48 days. Our question is to find if they work together. So let's find for together A and B when they're working together. That is 1 by 80 plus 1 by 48. What is the LCM of 80 and 48? We have to find it first. So 8 10 8 6 then 2 5 2 3. So this will be 8 3 24. So 240. When we divide 80 with 240, we'll get how much? 6. Sorry. 3. Correct. And then 48. 48 when we'll get 5 here. Multiply with 5, we get 240. Yes or no? So now 8 by 240. Cancel it. 30. So overall they will take how many days? This together they will take 30 days to complete the work. They will take 30 days to complete the work. I got the answer. Understood? How it started and how we ended with this? Clear? So here the question is A and B undertake to do a piece of work for rupees 600. What is the amount they are going to get? 600. They decided to do the work. A alone is capable to do the work in 6 days. B alone is able to do it in 8 days. But they took help of C here. With the help of C, they could finish it in 3 days. So now we have to find the share of each. So A, B and C, what will be the share from this amount of 600? So let's find out. Are you able to get what is the question? This is very easy. You just need to find the number of days of C, and then we can find the ratio, and out of the ratio we can find the share of each. Yes or no? So let's do it to get it more in a better way with the help of C. So first of all, C's 1 day's work. How many days we need to complete? 1 by 3. Total 3 of them will take 1 by 3, right? So we just need to subtract here the 1 day's work of A and B. So we'll get how much? 6 and 8. We will take the LCM here. So this will be 24. So here we get 4 and here we get 3. So how much we'll get here? 1 by 3 minus 7 by 24. Again, the LCM here will remain 24. So here we get 8 and here 7. So C alone will take 24 days to complete the work. Correct. We got C's 1 day's work is 24 days. Now let's take the ratio of 3 of them. Ratio of A, B, C, 1 day's work. So 1 by 6 is to 1 by 8 is to 1 by 24. When we solve it, what we will get here? So again we take the LCM. We get here 2 3s are 3 4s, 12s, okay. Then 2 2s and 2 6, okay. Then 3 1 2 1. Again 2 1 1 1. Okay. So here 2 2s 4, 4 3s 2 2s are 4. Then 4 3s is 12, 12 2s are 24. So we got the same LCM again. So here we get 4 and here we get, sorry. Okay, fine. No issue. 4. Here we got 3 and here we got 1. So this is the ratio 4 is to 3 is to 1. Yes or no? Understood how we got this ratio? 4 is to 3 is to 1 is the ratio of ABC. Now based on this ratio, we can easily calculate the share of each. So if we see A's share is 4 by 8 of 600. B's share is 3 by 8 of 600. And C's share will be 1 by 8 of 600. Yes or no? When we calculate, we can get it. So A will get 300 and B will get 8 sevens. 56. So he will get how much? 225 and C will get 75. Clear? We got share of A, B and C. So A gets 300, B gets 225, C gets 75. This is our final answer. Is it clear to all? Okay, our next question here is A and B working separately can do a piece of work in 9 and 12 days respectively. If they work for a day alternatively, A beginning in how many days the work will be completed? A and work are working separately means A is one day work will be 1 by 9 and B's one day work will be 1 by 12. Yes or no? So, they are working alternatively means A is working today, then in day 2 B will be working, in day 3 again A and B 4th day B. Likewise, they will continue till the work is completed. So, in 2 days, we can take together's work. How many work in 2 days they will complete? So, A and B is 2 days work will be equal to 1 by 9 plus 1 by 12. So, if we take the LCM of 9 and 12, how much we will get here? 36. So, this is 4 by 3, 7 by 36. In 2 days, they will complete 7 by 36. Now, in the same way, they will be completing this first 2 days this much. Again, next 2 days this much. Like this, the work will continue. So, we have to take the nearest number that will be multiplied to 7 in order to make the numerator denominator closer or even equal. That is better, but not more than the denominator. So what we will do, in how many pairs they will be completing it? In how many pairs? Why I'm taking pairs? Because in 2 days they are going to work. So how many pairs we will, if we multiply 7 5, so we will get 35 by 36. If we take 6, it will be more than the denominator. So 35 by 36 will be completed in 5 pairs. Okay, 5 pairs means in 10 days. Yes or no? In 10 days, they will be able to complete this much work, 35 by 36. Now, remaining work, how much work is remaining? Remaining work will be 1 minus 35 by 36. That is equal to 1 by 36. So, as in pairs, they will be completing, B will be completing the 10 days work. So, the next 11 days work will be done by A again. So, here A will work rest of the work in the 11th day. So, 11th day, A's work. Whole day he doesn't need to work because only 1 by 36 work is remaining. So, 1 by 36 into how much I'll multiply? What is the time taken by him? 9. 1 by 4. Okay. So, total time taken by them will be 10 days means 10 1 by 4 days will be the answer. 10 1 by 4 days will be the answer. Clear? Okay, students, here our question is 45 men can complete a work in 60 days. 6 days after they started working, this they already started working. How many? 45 men. And after 6 days, 30 more men joined them. How many days will they now take to complete the remaining work? The question is to find how many days will they now take. Will they now take means 45 were there, 30 were added. So total now 75 men will take how many days to complete the remaining work? Some part is already completed in 6 days. So the remaining work will be done in how many days? Let's find out how to do it. So first of all, we will take 1 day's work. 1 day's work of 45 men, 1 by 60. Then 1 day's work of 1 man will be 1 by 16 into 45. Let's multiply. 16, 45, 324, 27, 5, 4, 720. Right? 720, 1 by 72, 720 will be the answer. Then our question is, in 6 days they have completed some part of work. So 1 day's work is this much. 6 days work of 45 men will be 1 by 16 into 6. 2 3s, 2 8s, 3 by 8. Next, the remaining work 1 minus 3 by 8, that is 5 by 8. Now this 5 by 8 work will be completed by how many men? 45 plus 30 men. So 75 men will complete 5 by 8 work in how many days? The question is to find how many days. So if 1 man's work is 1 by 72, 75 men will be 75 by 720. And how much work is there? 5 by work is remaining. So we have to reverse this 8 by 5. Okay. So 5 ones, 5 15s, 8 ones, 8 90s, 15 ones. Then this is 6. So we got 6 days. Clear? The answer is 6 days. So 75 men will complete the remaining work in 6 days. So we got the answer. Clear? Okay, so time and work's next question is 2 men and 3 boys can do a piece of work in 10 days, while 3 men and 2 boys can do the same in 8 days. In how many days can 2 men and 1 boy do the work? So here, together, 2 men and 3 boys work is given, right? And like how many days they will take to complete. Again, another pair is given 3 men and 2 boys will do it in 8 days. Our question is to find how many days will be taken by 2 men and 1 boy to do the work. So how to solve this question? First of all, let's 1 man's 1 day's work bx, okay, and 1 boy's 1 day's work by. So first we have 2 men and 3 boys, right? So then 2x plus 3y will complete in 1 by 10 days. Another pair we have 3 men plus 2 boys, so 2y will complete in 1 by 8 days. Now let's calculate this. How can we calculate? Let me directly put this here. Okay. So, okay, fine. Let's solve. Solving, how we will get. Let's multiply. How much? I will make one similar so that we can cut and equate by taking both the equation. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Yes or no? So, but how can we evaluate these two or how can we solve it? If I want to cancel y's value, I have to make it similar in both the cases. When we subtract, it should get means cancelled. So how much I can multiply? I can multiply here 2 and I can multiply here 3. Yes or no? So in this case, how much I'll get? 4x plus 6y is equal to 1 by 5. Correct? Next, in second case, how much I'll get? 9x plus 6y 3 by 8. Now if I subtract, okay, if I subtract, this will be cancelled and I get minus 5x equal to 1 by 5 minus 3 by 8. Let's calculate further to get the excess value here. 5 and 8, LCM will be 40, 8 minus 15. So we get minus 5x minus 7 by 40. Minus minus gets cancelled. X will be 7 by 40 into here 5 is there. So where the 5 will come? Below, right? So it will be 7 by 200. 7 by 200 is x's value. Now by taking x's value, we can find out y's value. So let me put x value in the first equation. 2 into 7 by 200 plus 3y is equal to 1 by 10. So 3y is equal to 1 by 10 minus 7 by 100. So 3y is equal to 110 minus 3. So y's value will be 3 by 100 into 1 by 3, that is equal to 1 by 100. So now I have x value that is 7 by 200 and I have y's value that is 1 by 100. Correct? Now the question is, in how many days can 2 men and 1 boy do the work? We can find it very easily. I need to erase to do the. Okay, I will not erase, I'll just show it here. See here, 2 men and 1 boy will take how many days, right? 2 men means 2x plus 1 boy means y. So in the place of x, I will replace x value 7 by 200 and y's value I will take 1 by 100. This gets cancelled. So we get 8 by 100. Again this gets cancelled. 8 ones are 8, 8, 4 twos are 8 and 4 25s are, right? So the answer is 25 by 2 days. Correct? Or we can even further calculate, it is 12 1 by 2 days. This is our answer. Clear? This is little lengthy, but such type of questions you can keep it for the last. When you have more time, you can do it, because this takes time to calculate. Such questions will take little time. So you can, but by practice and by evaluating in the mind also, you can get idea to how to solve these questions. Okay, clear? Let's move. Okay, thank you all.